Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project and select your footage. Delete the end part. Select Format 9:16. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now split your video to 3.6 seconds. And add overlay to rest of the video. You can get this from link in my description. Move it to top of the video and adjust to full screen. Now go to Mask and select Split. Now move the line according to you and then slide down the arrow. Match duration of the video with overlay video. Now check. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.